Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. Included on the Super Bee is an 8.4-inch Uconnect entertainment system, which includes the SRT dashboard, giving you features such as line lock, adjustable launch control with different RPM choices to launch at, as well as the performance pages gauges to give you an accurate idea of what's going on while you push this car to the limit. This particular vehicle also includes the carbon and suede option package, so you'll get authentic carbon fiber treatment on the interior, a suede headliner, suede inserts on the seat to hold you in place, as well as a slew of other carbon fiber treatments spaced throughout the interior to give you a nice curb appeal. The Super Bee comes equipped with 20-inch black wheels. They're wrapped with Z-rated racing style Nexen tires, nice soft compound, almost 11 inches wide, really helps keep this car planted on the ground and get that power transfer to the ground. It's being stopped by a nice 4-piston Brembo braking system. Calipers are painted bright red. It's really going to stand out inside that wheel and let everybody know it really means business. This Super Bee starts life as a 1320 Scat Pack before Dodge modifies it from there. They made 1,000 of these. That's one for every 3 Chrysler dealers in the United States of America. It's available 500 in B5 Blue and 500 in Plum Crazy Purple, which are both classic muscle car colors from the 1960s and 1970s. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one. And if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.